Good morning, everyone, and I'm getting ready to get into the truck and trailer, head to Elnora, Indiana, and pick up somewhere between 6 and 10 cows and haul to Benson's Producers Livestock Market. So that's the project this morning. As you can see, it is a cold, snowy morning. Hooked everything up a couple days ago, started the truck this morning, so I know it'll start. Let it warm up a bit, and we'll be hitting the road. Here we are at Phillips Farms, and we're getting ready to take, and that's good Dr. Phillips. Well, I don't know whether the term good applies or not, but we're getting ready to load 8 cows to take to Producers Livestock Market this morning. So we'll see what kind of fiasco this leads to. And we've got 2 of the finest helpers known to Elnora, Indiana, and they're excited to be here. So we're ready to roll. Well, good morning, folks. It's about 9:30 on a Thursday morning, and I am heading to pick up a friend of mine, and then we're heading to the feed mill to get feed. I'm getting goat feed and cow mineral, and he's getting cow feed. And I started off my morning doing about a 15-minute drive to breed a yearling dairy heifer, which was related to my, the family's related to my neighbor. It's her granddaughter's family that used to have a dairy farm in Minnesota, actually. So I went out there at 7:30 this morning, and I can say with the temperature here in Indiana, that's the coldest day I've ever bred one. And knowing that you have to take a lot of your upper clothes off to stay warm, it made it a pretty interesting breeding. So anyway, heading to the feed mill. Hey, good morning, everyone. It is a Saturday morning. Snow still on the ground, as you can see, and cold, not horrible. So I've got to take some hay into the cows at the summer pasture that I haven't moved home yet. I'm only going to move half of them home, the cows that are due in January, here in another week. And after I get all that done and get ready for the trip to Hoosier Beef Congress tomorrow morning, where I'm interviewing the judges, and I'm working the Indiana Beef Cattle Association booth from 8 to 11. So if you see this and you're up there, stop by. Then kind of a sports day today. My Purdue Boilermakers play Iowa State. Iowa State's ranked number 10. Purdue's ranked number 1. And Iowa State put up 132 points on somebody, I think, this past week. So that's kind of an interesting number. Then tonight I'll watch the Big Ten Championship football teams play, both undefeated, Ohio State and Indiana University, actually. So that's the day ahead. So I'm out here doing my morning chores and get that hay in town to my cows. So when I take hay into the cows in town, I haul 2 bales at a time. Again, it's about a mile from the house. Usually I only take 2, but if I was smart, I'd take about 4 or 5 each time. I wouldn't have to go back so often, but that's how I do it. Well, you just saw a time lapse of the trip down to the summer pasture, and I go down the lane and I've got 2 gates open. Normally I've got 3. There goes 2 deer. Maybe 3 deer. I've seen 5 deer this morning so far. I believe that was 2 does. Notice to the left, corn is still standing, which I've talked about before. Pretty frustrating. So this would be the second gate that I normally open. But I left it open the other day because I knew I was coming back. You're probably thinking, well, you leave it open every time. Well, that's a good question, I guess. There goes 2 more deer, so that is 2 more that I saw. Sometimes the tractor doesn't seem to bother, but that's the most I saw down here at one time. So I'm coming up to the final gate where I go into where the cows actually are. And then it's just a matter of where I decide to feed this hay. Okay, I've dropped the hay off to the cows, and you can see they're all gathered around. So that task is done this morning. You can also see the view from up on this hillside. And again, a view of the corn that's not out, so that's, again, double frustration. And I can head back to the house. Quick update on the Christmas decorations. I had to change out 2 inflatables that were in this location with this snowman and this camouflage Santa Claus. One of them had a leak and the other one just wasn't staying inflated the entire time, so I changed those out. And then these 2 or 3 have been working fine. And you can see even the helicopter, the blades are even turning. Quick little update on the Christmas. Hope you enjoyed the short little drone video clip as well. Folks, that's going to be a wrap of the second video of the week. because, as I said, tomorrow I will be at Hoosier Beef Congress. Those of you who watch this video, if you're a cattle showman and you're up there and you've seen this video, stop by the Indiana Beef Cattle Association booth and chat, say hi, learn more about our organization. Hope everyone has a great rest of the weekend. Good luck to Ohio State and Indiana. Hope it's a good game. Good luck to my Purdue Boilermakers today. And if you haven't, share these videos with your friends. Hit that subscribe button, and if you like what you see, hit that like button. Thanks for watching, everyone. Till next week. Have a great one.